Hi Sir Roger Batay, this may Delay Letronista Module 5. Provide a biblical passage that captures your, your module learning journey. I learned a deeper appreciation for the Holy Spirit active role in the church. I gained a better understanding of the diverse ways the Spirit empowers belief, guides the church, and brings about spiritual transformation. Number two, what are the significant learning activities that I have done in the module? I think I'm going to be a little bit more careful with quiz because I just took a few shots and got the right answer right away. I also think I was able to connect the theological concepts to my own spiritual journey and experience. Number three, what are the significant realization learnings that made an impact on my learning journey module? I realized how found is that they are reflex and proactive in applying the lessons. Further, it shows weaknesses in consistency both in following Jesus' teaching, whether through interruption or failures. Number four, how do I feel about my learning experience and challenges encountered in this module? I feel positive emotion, satisfied and proud with my overall performance. I believe I put forth my best effort and learned valuable lessons. However, I also recognize areas where I could improve and am committed to growing in my understanding of the Holy Spirit's work. That's all. Thank you po.